Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck and dreaming of financial freedom? Imagine waking up and working from anywhere in the world on your own terms. In today's video, we're revealing the 7 easiest online businesses to start as a beginner in 2024. We'll break down each strategy with step-by-step action plans and show you the average earnings you can expect. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, this is your gateway to online success. Let's dive in. Starting off at number 1, we have affiliate marketing. Absolutely one of my favorites, and a category that has brought me major financial success over the years. This is one of the simplest ways to earn money online because it involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link. Here's how you can get started. Choose a niche. Focus on an area you're passionate about. Then join affiliate programs, and popular ones include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale, amongst others. There are also tons of smaller and up-and-coming brands that you will be able to align with in the future. As you get better and your audience grows, you might even score big with more lucrative collaborations with new startups. Next, it's all about creating content. Use blogs, social media, or YouTube to review and promote products. Time to drive traffic. Use SEO, social media marketing, and paid ads to drive traffic to your affiliate links. So with all that being said, let's talk about average earnings. Beginners can expect to make $100 to $1,000 per month, with top affiliates earning over $10,000 monthly and honestly way higher in many circumstances. I listed this as the lowest income generator, but in reality, it could also be one of the highest. I actually started doing affiliate marketing about 10 years ago, and after 1 year in my niche, I got the opportunity to build out a program which allowed me to recruit my own network of affiliates and pay them for both physically and digitally distributing my products that I had essentially contracted with the parent company. So basically, you would call them sub-affiliates. Anyway, my affiliate distributor network grew like crazy over the country. I mean, hitting like 10,000 affiliates and growing, and turned into a multi-6-figure per month business. Yes, multi-6-figure per month. Pretty incredible. Affiliate marketing is all about patience and persistence. The more value you provide, the more you will earn. Now, before I jump into number 2, which has turned into my new favorite, by the way, let's discuss what it takes to make any of these options successful for you. It simply comes down to this. You have to get started and take inspired action. I know things can feel overwhelming sometimes, and I totally get it. I actually started my entrepreneurial journey when I was in my early 40s, so I know you have what it takes to be successful too. All I ask is you get started now, and don't be afraid to fail. I promise you will learn a shit ton from it and only get better. The only time I consider someone a failure, and I don't want to come across mean or insensitive, but it's honestly when someone never attempts to take action on their dreams. You don't even give yourself a chance to make mistakes and learn or fail forward until you figure it out. That's a failure. And I know you are watching this now because you want to change your life. You want to be able to help your family have more in their lives, and most importantly, live life on your own terms and have time freedom. Am I right? If you don't start somewhere, you are gonna go nowhere. Anyway, that's my rant for this video. Coming in at number 2, and my new BFF, starting a YouTube channel. With over 2 billion monthly active users, YouTube is a goldmine for content creators. But first up, you gotta choose a niche. Identify a specific topic or audience you want to target. Then start working on creating quality content. Invest in a good camera and microphone if possible, but your phone will ultimately work if needed. So don't let the excuse of not having the best equipment stop you. Excuses and procrastination are the biggest dream killers in my opinion. Next, focus on delivering value and start optimizing for SEO and YouTube algorithm strategies. Essentially, you will want to use keyword-rich titles, descriptions, and tags, but there's honestly more to it than my simplified explanation here. But once you get started down that rabbit hole, it will be no time before you become really experienced with the process. Keywords here are get started. Lastly, get monetized, enable ads, join the YouTube Partner Program, and explore sponsorships. So, what are those average earnings, you ask? Expect to make $500 to $2,000 per month once you get a solid subscriber base. Then, the sky is the limit. And of course, top YouTubers can earn millions annually. Remember, consistency is key. Upload regularly and engage with your audience to grow your channel. At number 3, we have starting a social media marketing agency, or SMMAs. Businesses are always looking for experts to manage their social media presence. Heck, I'm even doing that as we speak. First, you have to gain those skills. Learn about different social media platforms, content creation, and analytics. Next, build a portfolio. Start with your own profiles or offer free services to friends and family. Then, on to finding paying clients. Network online and offline. Use platforms like Upwork or Fiverr and leverage social media, of course. Now, once that's cooking, then scale it, baby. Hire additional staff and expand your service offerings. What are the average earnings for SMMAs? Well, beginners can earn $1,000 to $4,000 per month, while experienced marketers can make over $10,000 monthly. With businesses relying more on social media, this field offers endless opportunities for growth. And next up at number 4 is dropshipping. This business model allows you to sell products online without holding any inventory. But first, you got to choose a niche. Research profitable and trending products, then find suppliers, right? Use platforms like AliExpress or Oberlo to source products. The next up is to set up your store. Create an online store using Shopify or WooCommerce or Ecwid, and then now you are ready to market your products. Use social media, ads, SEO, and influencer marketing to drive that traffic. We will dive a little deeper into influencer marketing on a future video, but this is a strategy we have used heavily for my brain health company, New Lifespan. Anyway, let's talk about average earnings. Dropshipping beginners typically earn $200 to $2,000 per month. The successful dropshippers can make $5,000 to $30,000 a month, and of course, way on up above that with the more experience that you get. We started off with ship-on-demand supplements with no inventory holdings, which is similar to dropshipping, but actually allowed us to start the more lucrative process of building out our own brand. A little design work for our custom labels, etc., and then we were off to the races. Now we have completely transitioned over to building out the brand and using custom formulations. Pretty cool. And this is something I highly recommend putting on your own roadmap, especially if you decide to go the dropshipping route. The key to success in dropshipping is finding the right products and marketing them effectively. At number 5 is creating your own micro job website. Think of it as a mini Fiverr where you offer small services for a fee. First, identify services, determine what micro jobs you'll offer, like graphic design, writing, or maybe tech support. Then, build your site. Use WordPress or other website builders to create your platform. From there, start attracting users. Use SEO, social media, and online advertising to attract both service providers and buyers. And once that's rocking, it's time to monetize. Charge a commission on each transaction or offer premium listings. So, what are the typical earnings like? You can earn $500 to $3,000 per month, depending on the traffic and transaction volume on your site. It doesn't sound like much, but this business can grow steadily as more users join and transactions increase. Systems will make this very automated and almost completely passive. Coming in at number 6, becoming an SEO specialist. Businesses need experts to help them rank higher on search engines. So this entails learning SEO first. Take online courses and stay updated with SEO trends. Next is to build a portfolio. Start with personal projects or offer free services to gain experience. Then find clients. Use freelance platforms, network, and showcase your results. Now, once you are jamming, offer comprehensive services. Provide on-page, off-page, and technical SEO services. SEO beginners can make anywhere from $1,500 to $5,000 per month, while experienced specialists can earn $5,000 to $20,000 monthly. SEO is a high skill demand that can significantly boost a business's online presence and your bank account. Now finally, at number 7, the highest earning potential, become a lead generation expert. Businesses pay top dollar for quality leads. I know I've dropped a buttload on these services in the past. All right, so how do you get started? Well, first, learn lead generation. Understand different lead generation techniques and tools. Now you want to choose a niche. Focus on industries that pay well for leads like real estate or finance. Okay, it's time to generate leads. Use methods like SEO, PPC, social media ads, and content marketing. Once you have these quality leads, what do you do with them? You sell them. Create partnerships with businesses or use platforms like Lead by Sell. Let's get to the nitty gritty. Beginners can earn $2,000 to $10,000 per month, with top experts making upwards of $50,000 monthly. Lead generation is incredibly lucrative if you master the art of finding and nurturing high-quality leads. So there you have it, the 7 easiest online businesses to start as a beginner in 2024. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little notification bell for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success.